Do you find that when you're out ripping the trails hard, throwing your four-wheeler deep in the mud, or just plain working with your four-wheeler, that your foot's sliding all over the floorboards on your four-wheeler? Well, then I have the answer for you. Here we have the Perfex foot pegs, which are going to help add traction to your feet so your feet aren't sliding all over the place. I'm Hunter, this is ATV Lifestyle. Come follow me as I show you how to install these foot pegs. All right, we're going to pop this box open. It's the first time I'm opening it. So we'll see how the Perfex Industries foot pegs look. Woo! First time I'm looking at them in person. These look quite a bit nicer than the factory ones. These should add quite a bit of grip for muddy boots, plus a little bit of side grab when you're cornering hard. So they got two steps for us. Good looking steps, or foot pegs, I guess you'd call them. Got a sticker, and we got some hardware as well to install. Now these are specific / universal. So there's going to be some modifications obviously we're going to have to do. We'll get rid of the old foot pegs, get these installed. We'll take you guys along. First step to installing these foot pegs is going to remove your old foot peg. Now obviously every four-wheeler is a little bit different. On these Yamaha Grizzlies, all that holds this in place is just one rivet. So I just got to drill that rivet out. We'll get that out of the way. All right, here's a side-by-side comparison of the foot pegs. Here's the factory one. Here's the Perfex one. Nice thing here is we got nice deep grooves compared to just little baby ridges that my fingers slide right across. Your boot's gonna do the same, whereas your boot's actually gonna grab in here. The other nice thing is they have this side bite here. So when you're cornering hard, now you have a place to put your foot and grab hard. The thing I run into with my riding style is my boots get covered in mud. This does no good. Whereas this is gonna give a little bit more traction, even with mud on my boots and stuff. It's gonna give me some grip so I can help get some more traction and push and wiggle my way through stuff, if that makes sense. We got the old one removed, just one rivet on the Yamahas. So we're gonna measure everything out. I'm gonna blow this out a little bit, get some of that dirt out of there from my ride the other day. Get that cleaned up, show you where we're gonna drill holes, be good to go. Okay, now we're gonna take our foot peg, line it up with where we want it. So the nice thing is on this one, these grooves right here fit perfectly between the little plastic rivets on here. So it kind of helps line it up, and it fits like perfectly in here. So we're gonna take and drill two 5/16 holes in the center, one on this side, one on this side. Obviously, if this doesn't fit on your four-wheeler, if you're not doing it on a Grizzly, you might have to drill your hole a little bit different. But we're gonna drill two holes. Okay, when you bolt these down, you're gonna have a flange bolt, which is gonna be a 12mm. You're gonna have a flange nut, locking nut, which is gonna be a 13mm. Washer is gonna go on the nut side, so on the bottom side of the foot pegs, so on the bottom side of your floorboard. And then there's this little bushing or spacer. That's gonna go on the floorboard, between the floorboard and the foot peg there. And then we'll bolt it down. Bolt goes down through, we'll tighten it down, and you're all done. Easy as that, and then go to the other side and do the exact same thing. There you go, guys. These foot pegs, now this is obviously not riding, but I can tell you that even my cowboy boots, they grip very well. And I got awesome grip on the side there, so if you're riding hard and you're pushing into it, your foot's not gonna slide off. I got mine from AD Clutching. I'll put the link in the description below. Andrew Deal's an awesome guy. If you guys watched my last video, I just did clutching from him. Really woke the bike up offline. Can't wait to get out and ride it. Other than that, that does the install. Thanks for following along. There you go, guys. It was a nice, easy install. Very effective product. and especially for the price. Remember, these aren't just for Grizzlies. They have them for all sorts of four-wheelers. You name it, they probably have them for it. They definitely add a lot of grip to your feet, which is awesome. Anybody can install these in their own garage. It literally took me 10 minutes, but that was partially because of filming. If it wasn't for filming, I probably could have had these done in 5 minutes. I needed a 12, 13, and a 5/16 drill bit. That was all I needed for tools. Other than that, very easy. Hope you guys enjoyed. Stay tuned. Videos are going to go up every Sunday from now on. I'm definitely going to find something for you guys, whether it's on this. I'm going to start getting some stuff for the Razor. Let me know if you want to see more Razor content. I know a lot of you guys are obviously here for the Grizzly or for four-wheelers in general, but we do have some stuff coming for the Razor. Let me know what you want to see done to the Razor, what you want to see done to the Grizzly. Remember, working on a budget. I'm like you guys, don't have all the money in the world to go spend on this, otherwise I would have this thing built to the max, and I'd probably have an Outlander XMR sitting in the garage too, but I don't. Maybe someday, probably not, but it may happen. Other than that, that's all I got for you guys. Have a great day and get out and enjoy your machines.